option. It's called coupon code, gift code or coupon code. Okay, just click on that, and after that, just paste the code that you got in email.
Like, how will I get the email?
Listen one thing. Listen one thing. There is a many platform. They provide the gift code. Okay.
Okay.
You have to redeem on any like that. If you want to buy pizza, okay, I giving you example. If you want to buy pizza, then redeem that code for Domino's. If you want to buy the Bata shoe, then redeem code for the Bata. Okay, like that. If you want to book by hotels.
No, but
Then
how will I get the coupon code?
I tell you, just listen now.
Okay.
Ankur bhaiya, girls don't have
Yes.
patience.
Not like that. I listen.
For that you have to join the Discord. You know what is Discord?
No.
Discord is a server. You have to join the Discord.
It's another app like chatting or like, it's more secret and more confusing. It's like a developer for or IT professional can use it, but we can also use it normally.
Yeah.
And it's a little bit complicated for who is new, I think.
But you got.
And no, but how to use Decode? Like, is it a website or an app?
No, listen one thing. Company provide the free gift code, okay?
Okay.
With that code, you not redeem money. You can only buy anything.
Okay.
It's like a discount code. It's a promo code. You just copy, and when you booking hotel or anything, so there is a one option. Do have a promo code? So just copy that code and paste here. Instantly, you will just get a discount more than 10%. I think 20% sometimes, maybe.
Yeah, no, like that. If you have a gift code of more than 3,000, okay, you just go to any hotel or you book any hotel. The hotel price is only 200. Then when you put that code, then your all price was discounted. You
No,
only
but
have
what if I don't have any code only? Then what?
So right now, which app you are using, Ferry? Like,
Suppose.
there is any specific app for hotel booking, or you just go and book hotel or room offline?
No, I use Skyscanner.
cash scanner.
Skyscanner.
Okay.
It's I think it's an international website or app or
Yeah, it's
your country.
international. It's an international app.
So you can't get any type of discount.
Okay, just see one thing. Just go to app. Okay. Ferry.
Okay.
Just go to app. When payment option, have you seen any coupon code or gift code like that option?
Wait, let me check it first.
Can you tell the name of app again?
Skyscanner.
Sky Scanner.
Make by trip. I have got the make by trip coupon code.
Does Make My Trip app work in your country?
Yes, it does. It does.
Then I give the coupon code right now. I have the 45% off coupon code. If you want, I can give you.
But I don't have the app right now. I have to download it.
Yeah,
You can download.
Okay, you can tell me later then.
Okay, I'm just sending your coupon code. Okay, when you download, just use this code.
Okay.
Make My Trip, I think, best app for discount and anything. Yeah.
Just see your IV. I give you coupon code of 45% off.
Okay.
See your IV. I sent you.
Yeah, it's for Make My Trip, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome. You used also Go IBBO? Go Ibibo.
Go ahead, go.
Asking
Nikhil said
who?
go ahead, go.
I'm asking from you.
Okay. Yeah, sometimes I do.
Okay, just wait. I also go Ibibo Coop. You want go Ibibo coupon code also?
Yeah, you can send me. I'll download the app then. I can try if it's possible.
Yeah, you just download and go to the payment option and just paste that code. Okay.
Okay.
When you when you got the result, then tell me. I put the more coupon code.
Okay.
Yeah, you just try it. Listen one thing. Abhyans,
Mm-hmm.
I'm sending you one link, okay, of 3 month VIP. Just check it and just tell me.
No, like 3 month VIP for free or for the the less
For
amount?
free. No,
For
no, for
free?
free.
Oh, I
भैया
also want that.
Wait a second.
भैया ये तो लिंक वर्क नहीं कर रहा है जो भेजा है आपने
Hello talk dot. Yeah, I got it. Listen, Soria, I sending you a link. Just check.
Wait.
Soria, Abhyans, just check it.
I didn't receive any.
Wait. Ferry, check your IV. After later, I tell you how the process to get it.
try
Okay, I
to
got
use
the link. I got the link.
it.
Yeah, don't do anything right now, okay? When I tell the step, then do. If you not follow my step, then you not get it.
Okay.
So, Abhyans, you see that?
Yeah, I saw.
But there is an option, okay?
Would I open?
You know one trick. Don't click on download option right now. Don't. You know the process how to get it. I have a trick.
Tell me.
Just first see the country, okay?
Country.
Yeah.
Do you also want to do it? Like, can I open the link now?
You just open and see all the process, but don't redeem it right now. Just open it and see the 3 months VIP is there. And Perry, just don't share this link to anyone, okay?
No. But like, what do I do now? Like, is it like it's open? The link I have opened it.
You see the 3 month VIP page?
Yeah.
No.
You see a 3 month VIP?
I can read the 3 month VIP. Like, I have a message written over here that means you can start chatting with native language speakers from